See, we can avoid all this working by simply saying like that. Anyway, it is exempt. Are you understanding what I am telling? When you know the ultimate number to be taken to the outer column is nil, why this working? Why this working? Because the examiner will award marks for each one of your workings. For that purpose. So please just don't ignore all this. Even though you know ultimately in the outer column we will be taking up nil, don't avoid these workings. You please develop the workings. Say on this brokerage and STT, there are two opinions that you have. Let me tell you that opinion also. So what people otherwise also do is that on 3 lakhs, firstly they will deduct security transaction tax. What is the percentage? 0.02. How much it works out to? 60. On 60 rupees when they deduct 2,99,940. Then they will calculate 1% on this figure. That will work out to 2999. Say on this 0.02 there can be two opinions. So for the sake of convenience I have taken up 1.02%. Then short term capital gain. Sale value $100, that is bonus shares, into 3,000, 3 lakhs less STT. Say some people also, once again they have a different opinion. Security transaction tax cannot be deducted as an item of expenditure because tax can never be considered as an item of deduction. Please look into the matter. For 60 rupees there will be a big fight. How much is it? 3,060. So on that people just normally take up this as not to be taken for as a matter of deduction. It is not a transaction cost. It is a tax. Therefore, it cannot be considered as an item of expenditure. Another opinion is always there. See, there is no question of one is right, the other one is wrong. So it's only an opinion. Less cost. There is no indexation benefit, nil. 296, 940. See, on this 60, once again, let me tell you, there is a controversial thing people just talk. So, security transaction tax cannot be deducted as an item of expenditure. So, if that be the case, then 60 rupees greater sum that you will be having. So, how much is that you will be having? You will be having 2,97,000. Then income from other sources, dividend income. Less exempt under section 1034. Nil. So gross total income 296,940 or 2,97,000. What is that? There can be two opinions on the same subject matter, as I told you. There is no other income the person is having. So tax on the above. 75 lakhs. Which one? Age 75. Uttarka? Oh, 75th birthday. Oh, birthday boy is reminding me. 2,50,000. 147,000. You have to take them. Correct. You are right. Okay.